Alright. Stream 2 for today. Today is still Friday. I did a stream earlier today. This stream is going to be a bit shorter. This is a offline stream. I'm a bit tired, so I just want to get some coding done. Just want to get into it, you know. So yeah, I think that's about it. Let me check my. I don't think I have any updates. Let me just make sure I don't forget anything. Let's see. Yeah, so I'll go ahead and recap what I did previously in a moment, and then we'll go ahead and get into it. So basically, I tried to get the documents, or how do I say it? I tried to get the alt up and alt down working in my text editor for messing with scripts and whatnot. I could have done it, I could have finished it, but it was getting a bit frustrating, so I said, you know what, I want to get into actual game development for once. So yeah, basically right now, at the end of last stream, I started working on Pong itself, started cleaning it up and whatnot. I fixed a few little bugs and whatnot. I think that's kind of how that's gonna go. But yeah, right now I'm just cleaning up the scripts, cleaning up the organization of my code, and getting everything making a bit more sense. So that's pretty much where I'm at currently. So without further ado and whatnot, idiom, let's go. Yeah, don't mind me, I'm just sleepy right now. But I felt determined for some reason. So we gonna get this. Alright. So, level 1 is now the new intro level, which maybe I kind of disagree with that. I don't know. Let's see. Let's open up maybe another one. Maybe I'll do main menu. There we go. Make this thing out of the way. There we go. Alright, so I think if I recall what I left off doing was I was organizing my scenes, and then I believe I deleted the main gameplay scene, and it's been switched up with the local multiplayer, the online multiplayer versus level 1. So single player, local, online, and the main menu level, right? So I'm trying to think of how I want to go about moving forward, I suppose. I'm wondering if I want to add folders for each of these. I might, actually. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna go and do that. I'm gonna make a new directory. Call it single player. Okay, put this in a single player. Nice. And then I'm gonna add, I don't know if I should make a distinction between local multiplayer and online, but I guess I will. Local multiplayer. I don't know why I'm doing camel case and then snake case and different, I don't know. Maybe I'll agree on something a bit better when I make my next game. Oh. Yeah, my mouse is going crazy. I don't know why. Probably should add a thing for renaming, but if I add a renaming operation, I'm gonna have to add a lot more adjustment code as well. So yeah, I'm wondering actually if I want to do this or if I want to move this back. My mouse is really getting messed up though. Like, really bad. Yeah, you know what? I'm gonna take that out for a second. Let me think. Game states, entities, common. Okay. Open main menu. At some point, it might be nice to have multiple selections. Might add that later. I kind of have some ideas for that though later. I'm wondering if I should start organizing my scripts. What I mean by that is I'm wondering if I should take some of these. Oh my god, this mouse is so broken. Dang. That's really annoying. Oh well. Yeah, I'm wondering if I should take some of these scripts, like this one that transitions between the main menu and the, how do I say, the single player mode. This script, I'm wondering if I should put it with the scenes. I just might, actually. Okay. Yeah. Okay, I think I'm going to move them into here for now. Maybe I can make a separate... Okay, maybe I'll make one directory for the main menu, right? Menu. And I'll take this and put it over here. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to take some of these other scripts and move them. So, common, scripts, and then open level 1. And move this one. New scenes. And move this into main menu. There we go. So now we have the script. Maybe I can create a directory called scripts. Or no, I'll leave it alone. If it's simple, I'll just keep it like this. But then if it gets really complex, that's when I will turn it into directories. Okay, so let me see if this still builds. Okay, seems fine, but seems fine, but I have a feeling that some things are broken, and I believe it's on open main menu. Yeah, main menu. Wow. There we go. And then let's rebuild this. brightness down a bit more. All right. Yeah, actually, I wonder if I should put this up here. Create directory, call it single player. Yeah. Yeah, this really makes sense. Okay, here we go. I'll be right back. All right. Okay. Scenes. Okay. So I actually believe that this one I need to change to single player, and then it should work, I think. Let's go back. Let's go ahead and rebuild. All right. Any issues? Looks like it's fine. All right. Oh, shoot. Okay, well that's an issue. Same issues before, actually. Interesting. We should not be calling change current state here. Again, scenes, main gameplay. Is that an old version of that? That's interesting. Okay, so now we got an assert. Interesting. Okay, it looks like it's in start game. This is where the error occurred. Let's see. So common scripts for start game. Yep. So if scene active is main gameplay scene, which is weird. We want display window, common input. Okay, yeah. Runtime input. Otherwise, runtime single player. Okay. Main gameplay. Trying to think of what the local multiplayer. That's what it's called. Yeah. All right. Let's go ahead and rebuild it really quick. Is current state. Okay, again, here we're checking for main gameplay, which is silly. Okay, yeah, this is just silly. This is just silly. Like, I don't know what's going on there. Yeah, no, that's just silly. So we have our proximity sensor over here. It's fine. Okay. Are you okay, kitty? What's up? Okay, I don't see anything over here. Okay. These are just AI states, so these just hold scripts. We're fine here. Okay. So maybe it's on ball collision. Okay, so if we're in the main gameplay, local multiplayer. That kid you seen? Right. Which again, this is silly. We're checking this every frame or every collision. So this is one of those things where I need to fix how I'm doing this. I think that's it though. So if local multiplayer, and again, we're doing input polling here, which is odd. Yeah, so weird. I don't understand that. It's current state, AI state, then we provide a string of text. Yeah, some of these things definitely do get fixed up. I gotta do a serious relook at the compiler these days. Okay, it's offline collision, we go online collision. looks like we're good here. This one just makes a decision. Single player slash level 1 arcade scene. Okay. Okay. And I think the logic for this one breaks down a bit. Yeah, I think it does. Which again is weird that the way I checked this, but now I just have to roll with it. So this is local. So if okay, so if it's single player slash level 1, I think that's what it's called. 1. Yeah, level _1. Okay, just seen. Okay. Then here. And here. Thank God I do this now. Because now I can do that. Take this. Yoink it out. And put that here. Perfect. So if we're in like the AI scene, then we do this. And of course I will change this. This will not do this soon. It kind of hurts me to do that actually. Wait, what's okay, there's one more in here. Somewhere in here. Somewhere. Or maybe not? No, there has to be. Yeah, here we go. Alright, so single player slash level _1. Kid you seen? Everything still compiles, so that's good. I would know because it would do this. That's good. That looks fine. Yeah, no, we're good. All right. Okay, I think that's... No, wait, there's more places. So I think... Let's look through here really quick, see if I do it anywhere else. Because I'm pretty sure I do. Okay. Main menu. I think this is the only time when this actually makes sense. Because yeah, if it is this scene, then this is the only time we want to mess with this UI. I guess in general, no, yeah, yeah, the scene makes sense. Okay, again, we're not checking scenes here, so we're good. On receive signal. On start session. Sure. On open main menu, this opens the main menu. Which probably should be moved to another script. On open Pong gameplay. Start game. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I will want to organize that. Local multiplayer round. Start game. Yeah, this logic is actually flawed. This breaks the online multiplayer. So we want scene slash single player slash level 1 .kg scene. And in this case, we're going to go ahead and initialize the AI stuff. Okay. So play menu select. Sure. Alright, so now let's move open menu. Single player or main menu? Local multiplayer and another directory called online multiplayer. Alright. And then open Pong gameplay, which opens the local multiplayer, so that's probably a misnomer. I'll change that. Okay, so this is start online game. Interesting. Yeah, ball direction and whatnot. Interesting. User left session. So yeah, these are internal game states. If anything, that should be server data. Inside of the game state. Yeah. Interesting. Yeah, maybe I'll add the idea of server data soon. So approve join session. Yeah, probably should just name this open. Open online or whatever. Unreceived signal. Start session. Start online game. So play menu select, I believe. Actually, let me start moving some stuff out. Start online game. And start session. It's all online stuff. Start game is probably a general thing. User left session. Update session something. Okay. Okay, so play menu select. It goes in main menu. And start session goes in online multiplayer. Fonts are common. Components. Yeah, these are common. Audio, yep. Used everywhere. Textures are used all over. UI is used all over. Okay. Okay, so I'm wondering what else here I should probably... A lot of this is just online scripts, to be honest. Start online counts. This, if anything, actually is a main menu script, interestingly enough. Start online game. Update session slots. That's interesting. It goes online. User left session. This is also managing sessions. Unreceived signal. on current session init. On connection terminated. That's a, yeah. Okay. Yeah, these are all online. And it'd be nice if I had a way to select multiple items at once, but I don't. And currently it's not the worst thing, but I will add it at some point. If anything, it'll be a preparation for something else. For test, no. File extension recognized as a script, however, no script could be found in the registry, moving the indicated file. Okay, well, that's a good warning. I'll move the indicated file without updating the registry. Yeah. I'm glad that caught that. So literally, all of these go into online multiplayer. So, bunch of scripts. On connection terminated goes to there. Right. Oh, yeah, actually, all connection terminated is actually a menu script. Interestingly enough, I probably will add a... maybe not. I'm probably not going to make... I was thinking I'm going to add another menu for sessions, but actually I might just add another window or panel. So I might check which window is currently open, and that way I can go and update the information. Yeah, I don't know. I'll see. But yeah, there we go. So now single player has level 1, multiplayer has this one. Online has a bunch of these, and main menu has this bunch. Let me see. Start game. Yeah, start game's used by a few different ones. Let's start online game. It's a bit more specific. Okay, so operation terminated on open main menu. Play menu select and then update online counts. Yeah, I'd say these are all fairly good where they're at. Yep, cool. Nice. Okay, online's gonna have a lot, so let's go ahead and check this. Yep. Ooh, okay. Dang. On received signal. Oh, it's a signal, right? And maybe user slot. Interesting. Yeah, I think this is the place where I could really use an enum struct. So I might add enums back in. Okay. So, yeah, I'm thinking enums in here, right? I mean, I'll have enum assets, right? That'd be nice, and then they can be modified or whatever. And then when I'm actually building this script module, I can literally create enums inside the C++ module, and that way it'll be nice and efficient. So that's good. Okay. So I'm going to go to my entities all. Right. Let me make sure I'm not messing up some stuff. Why is main gameplay still here? Okay. I thought I fixed this. Oh well. Themes, single player, level 1. Yeah, I thought I fixed this, but I guess not. Oh, I just fixed it here, but I didn't fix it in the location. Sure. Oh, and also this is wrong. Yeah, this is wrong. Okay. Okay, at least this looks correct. Otherwise, we just pull these. Okay, yeah, this looks fine. And this is the one I just modified. Or maybe it's not. Actually, no, I don't think it is. Yeah, this is all checking the scenes. Okay, yeah, this is the one I just modified. So this one is pretty empty. And this one. Yep, checks that. Does a bunch of stuff. Yep. Okay. Cool. Let me go back through AI player. I don't think this has anything in particular. Actually, no, I don't think it does. So we're good. Camera. Player 1. Move up, move down. I don't think it's fine. Yeah, these are pretty easy. Do not believe that. I need this camera. Okay, player 1, player 2 is probably the same thing. But actually, this is probably an easy check. Nope. What's up, Kitty? Yeah, this is actually probably a really good candidate for a function where I could just have a send network data or something like that. That would be a good idea. And then just as a parameter, just provide the network slot that we're working with. Get active session slot. Yeah. Okay. Interesting. Okay. So let me rebuild it. Let me try it. See if it's broken or whatnot. Seems like it compiled, so that's a good sign. Okay, surprised that worked actually. Okay. Let's see. Wait, what? Main menu.kg thing. Why, please fix this. It's funny. Alright, my bad. But yeah, looks like we're trying to access an unordered map. Get scene registry. .at. Get active scene handle. Okay, so do you have like a null scene or something? What's going on? Wait. Whoa, wait. What is happening? Dot get scene dot at and then scene. That's handled, and then get after that you get this data, gets file location, its file name, and then string. And then I guess the handle that we're getting is invalid or something. Okay. Interesting. Why? Scene service. Is 0. Why is the active scene null? What? How'd that happen? Okay. Yeah, just throwing that error, huh? Wait, did I get a warning or something? Invalid path provided to get asset scene local multiplayer.kg scene, returning empty scene assets. Scenes, local multiplayer.kg scene, returning empty scene assets. So level 1's fine. It's the local multiplayer one that's messed up. Oh, wait, no. This one... Yeah, so... Where are we? Scenes. Local multiplayer. Multiplayer. Okay, what about the online one too? Okay. Let's go ahead and rebuild this. Yeah, I definitely need to do an audit where I just make sure function calls. Basically, if I make a function call from here, I need to have a sanitization layer where I can essentially, if it fails and it's a critical error, it just exits out of the application, but the editor remains fine. Because this whole situation where it can cause indeterminate states and crash is ridiculous. But that'll be a cleanup thing I'll do next after I finish this section. Alright, let's try to... Did I rebuild it just now? I did. Okay. Okay. Okay, the input's working. Alright, cool. That's good. Okay, cool. Scenes local. Okay. Cool. I can try out multiplayer. I think it's broken a bit. Should probably figure that out. I don't remember why. Oh wait, no, I think I remember why. It's an organization thing, so yeah. Okay, I think enums are definitely something I need soon. So in wanted features, I'm gonna have to add that. And it's a small one feature, nothing bad, but add enums. We need them. I would like some type safety. Oh, I already have it. I guess I'll put it 2 times because I need to stress we need enum type. Yeah, I forgot. But yeah, we really do need them. For now, I'll just, I mean, I understand it, so I'll go ahead and set it up, but yeah. So the first thing is basically I'm going to go to my game state editor, runtime state, check that. All right, we have player 1, player 2 score, and then ball direction, right? We're going to go ahead and add a field. I guess all we have is U16s. Sure, why not? Edit. I'm going to call this game mode. So we have an easy place to query this type of thing. Game mode, right? Okay. What a string, sure. Anyways, now we have a game mode. It's default 0, I guess. Yeah, I'm not going to refactor game states until like, because I have a big, not a big refactor, but I am going to change it a lot, and I think I need to, there's some back-end implementation details about it that I still don't know how I want to deal with, honestly. So I kind of keep going back and forth with it. Yeah, so, I don't know. I gotta sit with that for a bit. Okay. So I think on collision, I believe ball on collision, offline, online, doesn't really matter. If we hit the left wall, we have game state gets you at 16, whatever. Yeah, here we go, set field. This long thing, which I hate, but it is what it is. This is basically just incrementing it. Yeah, basically what I'm gonna do is whenever we enter into a different game mode, I'm gonna change the mode, I guess. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, when we open the main menu, right, I'm gonna add an additional thing here. Basically, we're gonna get the game state. Game mode, and we're gonna set to 0, which is essentially the default state. Right? There we go. And I'm gonna move around a bit. Basically, when it's local multiplayer, if we open local multiplayer, which for some reason the name is on, I'll change the names in a moment. Yeah, local multi. Oh, sorry. Yeah, local multiplayer is gonna be 1. Okay. Did I misspell that? No, I didn't. Online is going to be, if I can find it. Here we go. Game mode is 2, I guess. Sure. And then on single player, I guess it is 3? Sure. No. That seems off. No. I want single player to be 1. I want local to be 2. And again, enums would be nice for this. Then I want to think about this. And then online. Yeah, and then online is 3. I think that makes more sense. That's probably what I would guess offhand. Alright, so now that we're setting the correct enums, instead of checking per scene, I can check per the game state enum, right? Let's go find an example where I get a game state. I think I do that. Again, non-collision. Yeah, get uint, whatever. Okay. Alright, and now we're just gonna check if how do I say? Yeah, I still don't love this, but at least the game state thinks it's a bit better to query than the scene name. So delete that. It's gonna be called game mode. I'll do this is equal to, which one was it? I think it's 1. I think it's got too many of these, maybe? Yeah, good. Alright, get field U16 game mode is equal to 1. Right. I think this would read better as the particular name of the game state assets, and then dot game mode is equal to 1. Right. But for now, I just have to do this. Hoopla. Yeah, so, whatever. His current state. Oh, I guess I don't fix these up. Interesting. But yeah, this one. Get the specified field in the active game state and return it as a uint16. This function requires the name of the field as a parameter. Yeah. Okay, sure. So I'm going to be checking this all over. Yeah, so instead of this, if, yeah, the game mode is 1, I think I do it again somewhere over here. Yeah. Yeah, it's not perfect, but it's a little better than it was before. Yeah, this checks the AI state and whatnot. It's fine. Again, I shouldn't really be doing switches here. I should just call certain functions. But, you know, it is what it is, I guess. So, ball offline collision. Ball online collision, which I believe yeah, it doesn't get anything here, so I think we're good. I did save the game state, right? Let me go check it really quick. Yeah, no, game mode by default is 0. Yeah, we're good. So I believe I check it over here a few times. Yeah. So here, if game mode is 1, and again here. Okay. Yeah, we should not be checking scenes for any of these things. Alright, so I think that's it for these. If I'm not mistaken, there's none in here. I think I checked that a few times, so I think I'm good. And let's go check over in scripts, start game. Yeah, there we go. Okay, does that makes more sense now? Yeah, if this, whatever. Okay. Sure. Alright, let's check the scene scripts. So local multiplayer. I don't see any weird checks. Single player, any checks here? No, I think we're good. Online has 1 million of them, but I think we're still good though. Okay, we set game mode to 3 in this case. Yeah, I'm probably gonna rename a few of these functions. Okay. But map, sure. Okay. In theory, it should be fine. Let me check it. Okay, I'm so glad this project is so small. It's very easy to refactor this. Okay. Well. Okay, good. So now we're doing a lot of checks on the game mode. It's like seems like it's a lot faster as well. We're not. I mean, probably really isn't, but yeah, it's nice. Cool. All right. I do like that. Okay, so I think the next step is I'm just going to make specific functions that are going to get called per scene, I suppose. And those specific functions, right, will, how do I say? Those specific functions will yeah, I gotta think about it. I gotta think about how I want to implement this. Yeah, because we have player 1 on update. Let me think. Okay, so basically the main issue I'm having, like soon I'm trying to make it where I don't need to do that whole game mode check every frame. I mean, in some places it might be necessary, so it's nice to have it, but in most cases it's just a design issue. That's just my fault. So let me find a case in point, and maybe I can kind of explain like what I'm thinking. Okay, here. So we have ball offline collision, right? Versus online collision, right? And we're doing this check. Yeah, we're doing this check. Ball on. Yeah, ball on physics collision, right? Okay, and then it checks every frame to see if the networking is on. And then if the networking is on, right, we call the online collision, and then if it's offline, we call the offline variant, right? This seems silly. Really what we should be doing, right, is if we're in the, how do I say, if we're in the online scene, we should call the online collision. If we're in the offline scene, we call the offline collision, right? There's no checking. That's one thing. And then if you need functionality that's common in between the two, then you just, how do I say? You just call the common, like you make the common functionality a function, and then the remaining extra functionality, you write it directly in, right? So the online, I believe, is basically a carbon copy of the offline, except it includes a little bit of extra code to handle some online information. Yeah, like network signal all, network enable ready check and whatnot. So, given that, I'm just trying to think of like how I want to start doing this. Wait. Oh, hilarious, that's true. Hold on. Okay, no. Okay, no, it works there. I thought for a second I could speed up the AI. I was like, wait. No. That's hilarious, that's the case, but... Oh no. Okay, it passes in the user slot, I suppose. I'm trying to think. They're pretty similar, to be honest. The only difference is, yeah, just one has to do like a slight different number of things. Okay, I think I have an idea. Now, the one thing one thing I'm wondering, right, is how I'm going to organize this, because if I have entities, right, and I have a ball, all of these different collision types these are going to go to different quote-unquote entities, right? Yeah, this is interesting. Okay. Ball offline collision start. So I'm wondering, because the ball is used in the online mode, the single player mode, and in the local multiplayer mode, right? But there's code specific to the online mode, the single player mode, and local multiplayer mode. So I'm wondering, where does that code go? Does that go in here? Or does that go into the, how do I say? Does that go with, yeah, I don't know, with the scenes themselves, since I'm kind of organizing them like that. I could go scene, and I could go to like the particular scene and then put like an entities directory and then put the ball scripts that are specific to that scene in there, I guess. Or I could just put the different scripts in this directory and call it a day. Yeah, because this one, I have a lot of switches checking for networking, whether we're working with AI. Yeah, we do a whole networking section here, which is interesting. Like this code should, each of these codes should only be run in their respective areas. Yeah, I'm kind of having like a weird organization trouble right now. I'm not sure which place I should put these scripts. Okay. Okay, I think I have an idea. So I guess I'm just gonna go ball, and then I'm gonna go, let me create a directory. And I'm gonna say online. And then put all the online stuff into the online one. Maybe not here. Single player. Multiplayer. Online multiplayer. Right. And then I'm going to make scripts for each one. And then maybe some generic scripts as well. So I'll see. So the first thing is I'm going to go for the online script. I'm trying to think. What do I want to call it? Ball online. Ball on online collision. Ball on collision. Ball online collision start. Ball online collision starts. Or something like that. Ball online collision starts. Sure. Why not? let's open up the online season. The online scene. Okay. And then, actually, no, I can't even test the online scene right now, actually. It's already kind of broken. So instead of that, let's go to ball. Actually, a player is pretty easy, right? Player 1 move up. Player 1 move down. Player 1 on update. And just does some networking stuff. Maybe we'll make directories for this then. Let's keep it flat. Okay, let's go to the script creator. Actually, no, let's go to the scenes. Online single player. Open the level 1 scene. And here, in the unupdate, that's kind of inconsequential. And actually, to be honest, player 1 on update. Yeah, if I'm being entirely honest, I don't need on update for this. Because yeah, player 1 on update. If I go here, player 1. Yeah, this just sends this. This just sends networking code, which is completely irrelevant for level 1. So I'm gonna go ahead and remove that. Yeah, there was an AI state, so we'll leave that. Player 2 on update's unnecessary though. The AI state's definitely necessary though. Okay, that's saved. Nice. And actually, let me go everywhere else where that's not necessary. So if I go to, where is it? Online is necessary. Local, I believe, is not necessary. So let's go ahead and open that. Player 2. Yeah, so we don't need this on update. Okay. There we go. I'm probably going to rename that script as well. Okay, so now I'm going to go to the online multiplayer. Player 2 on update. Okay, so this is necessary, but I'm going to rename it a bit. So let me create a script. Player 2 send updates network. Okay, now I'm gonna put this with player 2 and on update. And just rename this to active entity. There we go. And this one as well. Next place. Try that. Okay, that's good. Let's go here. Player 2 and update. Online multiplayer. Oh, because I didn't save it yet. clear to update network. To update network. Okay, there we go. Go ahead and save it. Okay, let's go ahead and remove on update. Yeah, we're good. Okay. So player one move up and player one move down. This is still all valid, I suppose. Didn't change anything, I just kind of renamed it. I think I'll support renaming these things later. Yeah. Alright. So now we're gonna go to ball. Rigid body. Ball on physics collision, so I can create a new script. Active entity and collided entity, sure. And this is gonna be a new name, so this one's gonna be what is this original one called again? I forgot the name. But I'll say ball physics collision. Online physics online collision. Right. Make it part of the ball group, doesn't really do anything, but sure. Okay. Collision on the physics collision. Online collision starts. Okay. So, let's go through this. Copy this. And go ahead and paste this. And a few things. First, current entity and other entity. Okay, the other thing is user slot, which I need to provide really quick. So on physics collision, this one makes a choice, so we need to get the user slot here. Okay. So now that this distinction is here, this will just go ahead and handle all of it, all the things it needs to handle, which is cool. And basically I'm trying to get rid of this. This is just so unnecessary to be doing at runtime. Okay, and then we're going to create another one. Ball online collision end. Same thing. Let's make it part of the ball root. Ball online collision end. It has nothing in it currently. It's fine. Turns fall. Oh yeah, it turns false, so that's fine. Ball online collision starts. Collision end. Okay. So the first thing is it checks if this is all the AI stuff, and then this is network code. So basically this stuff. Okay. And the rest of this is just, yeah, like irrelevant. Oh, and the other thing was we need this, I suppose. Oh yeah, I disabled alt up. Would have been nice right there. Get I'll leave it commentless for now. Oh yeah, that's right. There we go. So ball online collision, right? Okay, so I'm gonna make another one. But I think basically I'm good on the ball here. Yeah, these are good. So go ahead and save this. And let's go ahead and head over to another scene. For a single player, right? All right. So AI state, that's cool. No real on update or anything like that. Yeah, so the player 1 and player 2 are fine. We're not really worried about that. The ball though. And it's rigid body 2D, so this is calling on physical collision. Okay. So here, we're gonna create a script. We're gonna call it all single player collision starts. That's a mouthful. be single P. Yeah, I'll just make it. It's fine. It's fine. It's also the ball group. Okay. What a long name. We'll put it over here. Single player collision starts. Yeah, as a name. Jeez. Ball single player collision starts. All right, so single player collision start. All right, basically I'm going to take all of this. Paste it. Get rid of this. It's kind of ridiculous. Okay, do current entity and other entity. And I believe that should compile. And basically I can just get rid of all these if else, because yeah, if we're doing this, then we know we're doing like this. Okay, there we go. Else, if player 2 is equal to, oh yeah, proximity sensor, then we do a bunch of checks there. Again, don't need to check this anymore. Cool. All right. Is pulling pressed 1. Okay, player. Okay, this is the one where it's weird. So, if player 2, if game mode's here, so we don't need this. Delete this. There we go. All right, nice. All right, you know, I will abstract some of this code out in a moment, but for now, I'm going to leave it. So, all single player collision. Ball offline, ball online, collision, end, start, single player collision, end. Okay, and basically for on physics collision end. Oh, this is online, my bad. Here we go. That's what I want. So this down to here. Current entity. Other entity. I'm just going to assume this is handled. Okay, and we don't need to make these runtime checks here. I don't know why. I think it usually yells at me if I don't have a return statement somewhere. So interesting, it's not yelling at me. I don't know. My silly compiler. Okay. Okay, now if I go here, this is single player, okay, cool. Now let's go to entities, ball. Or let's switch scenes. We're gonna go to the local multiplayer. You're gonna go player 2, which, yeah, player 1, and then ball. So ball. Online? No. Local multi. Collision. Multi-P. Yeah, just multi. Group, I guess ball. Sure. I know it seems like I'm adding a lot of functions, but I'm doing this so I can reduce down the other functions. And they'll just be distinct. What is it called? Well, I guess you'll see what I'm doing. Ball, local multi, collision. Alright. So offline collision. Okay. Here, we do current entity, other entity. Okay. So if game mode is, so we don't need to worry about this anymore. Okay, nice. Yeah, and then here as well, don't need to worry about this. Get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Basically, I'm just getting rid of all the runtime checks that are extra. Basically, you only have to run the code that's relevant for your section. And after I'm done cleaning this up, I'm going to add a few more. I'm going to abstract out sort of the parts that are in common, just around little functions and whatnot. And that way, everything can be kind of modularized, I guess. But yeah, well, looks good to me. Alright, last one. Or actually, I don't do it here. So here. Local multi collision and okay. So, well, actually, I don't think there's anything to do on collision end for the regular one. Yeah, there's nothing to do, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, nothing to do. All right, so actually, I think here, this is redundant. Let me go ahead and open a script none. I'm gonna go ahead and save that. I'm gonna go back up here, ball local multi collision end. Just delete this. It's unnecessary. All right, now let's see if everything worked out. So we're gonna go to all the ones that I believe are not being called anymore. All on his collision. Yep, I didn't get any toasts. Nice. This one as well. I don't think this should be called anywhere. Nope. Okay. Ball online collision. I believe I now have this as ball online collision start. Yeah. And then ball offline collision is now deletable. Okay, there we go. Now, yeah, I reduced it down to these 5, and basically it's ball local multiplayer collision start, ball local ball online collision end, ball online collision start, ball single player collision end, ball single player collision start. There we go. All right. And now I might abstract out. Here's the thing. So now there's a bunch of supporting scripts in here, and I might even make a directory called supporting scripts. I don't know. Supporting scripts. And in here I'm going to add, well, supporting scripts, right? So basically any of these where they get called on multiple, right? In multiple different places, then these ones I'm going to go ahead and abstract them out. So let me go to, so this is local multiplayer collision start, online collision start, and single player start. Alright, let's abstract out all the common stuff. So for the left wall, I'm going to go ahead and just probably go on Notepad actually. Has it been 2 hours yet? I'm not sure. It's almost. Okay, so I'll probably push soon. So, okay, this one's local. Online. Okay, guess I gotta do all this manually. I'm working on the other screen, by the way. I'm just trying to put everything on the one page so I can kind of figure out what can be abstracted into their own functions. Okay, online, that's fine. And then we're gonna do single player. Okay. Okay, so here is all of them. So it looks like this never changes. Get field, get field, get field, it never changes. So and we get rid of this and get field, get slash set field, whatever. Set widget text, base window, score player 2 score. Yeah, that never changes. Yep, that never changes, and that never changes. Cool. Okay, then rigid body set linear velocity to 0, that never changes. Set linear velocity to 0, yep, never changes. Yep, never changes. Okay, place sound, lose sound, that never changes. Okay, display window. Okay, now that changes a bit. Load input map, restart, online pre-start, so that changes. Collision handled. Well, collision handled is used everywhere, so that doesn't count. Yeah, I'm trying to see if there's anything else that's common. But yes, these other parts are different. So this part is the same. So this is the part that can be abstracted out, and I'm going to call it, I don't know, scripts. What are we handling again? I think it's the left wall. Wide left wall. Okay, yeah, I kind of like that. And then you just toss this in here. And then toss this in here, that kind of traps heads and things. Okay, yeah, I kind of like that. So, void collide left wall. Okay. Nice. So I'm gonna go ahead and create a script. Call it collide with left wall. Yeah, I guess no groups right now. No parameters or anything. And I'm gonna put this in common. Put this in with. Actually, I don't know. Oh, you know what? No. Put this in with entities and put this in with left wall. Oh, there's no left wall. Okay, sure. Let's go and create a directory called left wall. Left wall. And let's put that here. Okay, let's open it up. And okay. So just taking an entity, I guess. Okay. Wasn't being used by anything anyways, so. This time we're going to take an entity. Ball entity. And then we're going to do, yeah, entity. There we go. Collide left wall. There we go. All right, nice. So, collide with left wall. Collide left wall. And then current entity. All local multi. Collide with left wall. That's going to be current entity. There we go. Oh yeah. Then all this other stuff's going to be different. And then yeah, collide with right wall. I think this one I'm going to go ahead and extract almost entirely, actually. Funnily enough. Yeah. What was the other one? Okay, and a bunch of other. I don't know what's going on there. Pre-game level warning versus pre-game warning. Yeah, I gotta fix my naming schemes after I do this whole abstraction thing. Yeah, this is always the same. Player 1, player 2. His current state, deflect ball, KGAI state. Interesting. Okay. Let me see if this. Let me see if this builds. I'm not even sure if it builds. How to compile scripts. Could not identify token. That's interesting. Failure just compile script module. What is going on there? Alright, I guess I gotta read the logs. Let's open this directory. Serve library, runtime executable. Oh no, this is the actual runtime, never mind. No, I want the script library. Looks like that one worked, but the debug didn't. Ball local multi collision start must return a value. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm like, well, I could have swore I already checked for that. Maybe that's just a bug in the compiler. Yeah, I guess somewhere in here I don't. Oh yeah, I don't. Okay, so at the end of this, we're just going to return collision handled. Alright, let's try to recompile this. Okay. Okay, seems like it's working. Well, the UI is not. But, yeah, a lot of things are broken actually. What is going on there? I guess I was relying on some assumptions or something. Seems like it's like doing the draws like all the time for some reason. Wait, it's wait a second, it's actually super accurate. What is going on? Wait, did I just find a solution to make the AI really good? On accident? Because the AI is actually now really fire. Like, what? Like, if the AI had like a speed boost, it would be going crazy. Yo. Wait, this is kind of fun. Like, I know it's doing a lot of extra computation and whatnot, but... No, actually, it's not that bad. Yeah, it adjusts. It's kind of fun to watch it adjust. Holy crap. Yeah, I think if I gave this AI like a speed boost, it would literally be unbeatable. Because its estimations are way too good. Holy crap. Okay, yeah, I know this is broken, but this is fun as fuck. Holy crap. It's tough AI. Okay, yeah, what is going on with this though? This is broken. Well, is the local multiplayer broken though? Let me check. Okay, well yeah, local seems fine, to be honest. Oh, wait, this thing is... Yo. 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 Why is it so good? It's freaking me out. Okay, let me fix this UI issue. Obviously I broke something. What? Set linear velocity to 0. Yeah, I mean, this is fine. It's something I have to do with like on collision end, I think. On single player collision start. Yeah, it's just managing the states. But I'm thinking on single player collision end, it'll check current entity and other entity. Okay, so if it's left wall or right wall, it will modify the direction. If it's a player to proximity sensor, start location 0 to collision. Wait, what? Oh, Oh, it just continues the raycast, yeah. Yeah, there must be something I was removing or something. I don't know. Something's wrong. I think I was only calling this end function. Wait, how did that work actually? I'm not even sure. It's a T change project. It's a sequel. Seems like this was still working, to be honest. Yeah, I don't know what I broke, but I kind of like that I broke it, so I guess I'll just leave it alone. But the one thing that I don't like that I broke was the... What is it called? I think it's on collision, single player start, something in here. Left wall. Yeah, I don't know. Let me look at the runtime UI and see what's going on. Because I don't know the distinction. What is this? Okay, this is the standard one, sure. Okay, why am I showing the pregame warning? Okay, this one's fine. But display window. Okay, I don't know what was going on with that other one. It was just being weird, I guess. I guess I just... Wait, was there anything else I had left? I guess I just left that one in. Oh, that was weird. Did I edit this? Oh, because I put it like open. There we go. Yeah. I guess that just sets its default state. Okay. I feel like I accidentally locked its actual abilities. Dang. This thing is good. Yeah, if I give this AI like a speed boost, like I'm donezo. Dungeon rings. Oh yeah, it adjusts. Holy crap. Okay, nice. Yeah, that's fun. I'm really surprised to say that. Like, it's fun as hell. Okay. I mean, I know it's just Pong, but like, I don't know, like, yeah, that's cool. All right. All right, so proximity sensor, yeah. I need to add a collide with the right wall for this part. And then yeah, we just invert the direction and then we're good. Player one. Yeah, we're polling right here, which is interesting. Don't know if I should be polling here. Okay. Yeah. I think after I abstract some of these extra functions and whatnot, I think I'm done organizing the scripts. And I guess I accidentally stumbled into a fix for my collision code. I mean, I could still make it better, but I think that's fine. The way it works right now. Yeah, and honestly, if I put a speed boost on that paddle, it's unbeatable. So that should be fun. Okay, another thing. Another thing. Basically, every time I enter a mode, I need to make sure that I clear out the game state. So let's go to... Yeah, I'll come back and abstract this out. Finish abstracting this stuff later. But one thing I do want to fix is this game score. Okay, so... And since I have this stuff more organized, I can kind of just go over here and get the function that calls when I open this, and then just set field for player one score is 0. And then player duplicate, so nice. New score. There we go. Alright, set over to I always forget which one it is. I think it's this one. And yep, doing the exact same thing. And then let's go over to single player and do the exact same thing. All right, so this will get rid of that issue where I switch modes and then it retains the game state. It's weird. All right, let's go ahead and recompile and try this again. Oh, I actually feel like I'm getting close to being done with Pong. It's a weird feeling. No, if I finish this networking stuff and I finish all the little things I wanted to get done with Pong, maybe I will. This is one of these popping up. Maybe I will add maybe some extra features and whatnot. This game, just for fun, right? I don't know. I know I'm tired of Pong, but it'd be kind of nice to add extra stuff. Alright. Yeah, I think I'm gonna call it for tonight. So let me go ahead and check the engine code. I don't think I literally changed nothing in the engine code. So this was an all Pong stream. Interestingly enough. Don't think I've had one of those before. But yeah. It's lots of it's lots. Git status. Git commit. Organize. Continue ordering existing scripts. Do a new line character. I wonder if that'll work. I don't know. I don't know if the commit processing lines like that. What else? I did a few things to this actually. Okay. Or organize. Split up things. New line. It's gonna end up looking like a bunch of /ns, isn't it? Oh well. Clean. Start cleaning up collision. Yeah, I mean that's mainly it. Yeah. Git push origin name. Yeah, I think all the percentages I changed, or I'm assuming that's what it is. Cool. Yeah, you know what? I should maybe integrate Git into the project, and then maybe have like a number saying like this is the number of edits you have done under Git. Maybe you should go check that. And then maybe add a button where you can open up a terminal at the root directory. Yeah, I don't know. But yeah, I think that's gonna be it for today. Let me check if there's anything else I was gonna work on. Or if there's anything else I gotta do before I end the stream. That's what I meant. Yeah, game code, there's no engine code to commit. I didn't really finish anything, but got pretty decent where I'm at, so basically I'm still doing this. But yeah, I think I should be done with this pretty soon, then I can start adding a few more levels. Again, I'm not going to go too crazy. I'm probably just going to change the colors of the paddles and the background walls, and probably call it a day there, honestly. This is kind of done. I mean, not really, but low-key, kind of done. And then, yeah, I could start adding some more complex behavior to the AI. And single player would really be done. I mean, I could add maybe some other small things like, oh, like, did you win the game or not, or whatever. So yeah, that'd be cool. Trying to think if there's anything else. I don't think there is. So yeah, I may post another stream this weekend, but it'll be an offline stream, so I'll just post it directly to YouTube. So yeah, if you're on YouTube, I'll see you later. Or no, yeah, I'm assuming you're on YouTube, yeah, but yeah, I'll see you later. I'm tired. My bad. But yeah, hope you have a nice day or night whenever you're watching this. And I guess that's it. So, later.